Hello everyone, the AFARCO MINI PNP features a generous working area measuring 340 by 540 mm. This makes it ideal for accommodating street feeders of this type. For components purchased in small quantities or in complete reels, you can easily arrange them across the entire workspace. The street feeder is a modular component with the free files available for download, allowing you to customize both the length and the width of the strip. The standard height from the table surface to the PCB is 20 mm. Therefore, this height can be adjusted to ensure the camera is properly focused. To secure these strip feeders to the table, we use custom-made floating pins. Furthermore, we do not screw these feeders directly into the table surface. First, we will establish a fixed reference corner. Next, we utilize the top camera's vision to verify the parallelism between the strip feeder and the machine exit. We will move the machine and make the necessary adjustment. We'll take the nearest corner as our starting point and move the machine forward to check for parallelism. We'll make a slight adjustment here. After that, we will check it again. As shown, the machine travels in a straight line, confirming the parallelism. Now we will secure on components.